So welcome to my channel Legend Vlogs, and today I will be showing you how you will have the black bars on top and bottom of your video. So this is the video in front of you guys, and what I'm gonna do next, this is you can have to you should select the video, and then there you can see in the effects, this is the source no clip, but you have to do what you have to do is to just go to the effect controls. Okay, there are 4 options. So what you're gonna do next, and you have to select the effects option there and effect controls there. So what you have to do is to search the crop option and then hit and make it double click. So no clip has been selected, you should select the clip. This is the whole video, and what you're gonna do next is go to the crop option, and there you can see there are 4 kind of crops: left, top, right, bottom. And now what you have to target the top and bottom. So we'll make it 12, then make it 12. So there you can see eventually the black bars came into the video, and this is what happens when you want the cinematic look. And what you only need to do is to have this crop option and make the top and bottom 12.0. So this is the video. I can't play it. I can't play the video because of the copyright issue. So what you're gonna do next is, this is the video, and I made these 2 bars just to make sure my Facebook icon will appear here and with the website. So it would definitely look better. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a very quick video without having delays, without making people bored, and I hope you like it. And do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Legend Vlogs for more problem solving videos. This is my channel, and these are my subscribers, these are my views, and this is my channel. Do not forget to subscribe it, and do let me know about your problems. I will be sharing all the videos from the questions I read, and will try to make a lot of problem solving videos further in future. So thank you so very much, and I will be seeing you soon. Thank you.